In previous lessons, we used Views toolbar, which is this toolbar here. We used it to change between views in the project. And in this lesson, we will see more details of this toolbar. Views toolbar contains 6 views. Each icon transfers to a specific view. We will notice that the first view is the isometric, and second view is top to see the project from above. The third view is front to see the front facade of the project. But this facade needs to be parallel to the red axis. The fourth icon is the right view, the right side, then the back side, and the left side. We will turn on context tag. Make sure that the high part there is on the context tag. And after that, we will tag this sidewalk, select its components, that beside the building. We will put it on untag tag. Then again, turn off the context tag. Then we will turn on the front view. Then we will turn on the first floor tag. Then to create a 2D elevation of the project, to add to it dimensions and any other details, we will turn on parallel projection, back views toolbar to its place, then zoom to the facade. So the frame starts from the sidewalk here. The curve of sidewalk and our project will appear like this. So we will create a scene for the front elevation. We will name it 2D front elevation, like so, ELE dot. Then we will create another scene for the back elevation. To move to the back facade, we will click on back view. We will set this scene in which started from the bottom edge and end with the roof of staircase room in this way. Then create a new scene and name it 2D back ELE dot.